Meaning of humidity.
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 Humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in the air or a gas. It is a measure of the air's moisture content and is typically expressed as a percentage. High humidity means that there is a large amount of water vapor in the air, while low humidity means that there is a small amount of water vapor. Humidity can have significant effects on human comfort, as well as on the growth and survival of plants and animals. It can also impact weather patterns and the formation of clouds and precipitation. Overall, humidity is an important factor in understanding and predicting various environmental conditions.